Hello guys, welcome back to AskShafan.com, the e-commerce channel where you learn everything regarding e-commerce. So this is our very first video regarding the Amazon catalog management series. So in this first video, I will walk you through how you can upload your product on Amazon platform. This implies for all the, this is applicable to all the marketplaces including US, UK, Canada, European marketplaces, or the Asian marketplaces. The process is same for creating the product on all marketplaces. So before we get started, I would like to share the methods that we can use to create products on Amazon, and also I will be sharing a list of certain things that are like compulsory to create an Amazon product. So starting with the first thing, what are the methods that we can use to create a product on Amazon? So basically the main two methods that we use day to day, first is using Amazon add a product tool to create a product on Amazon, and the second one is using flat files, or you can say Amazon templates, to create a product on Amazon. In this very first video, I will be talking about how you can create a product on Amazon using add a product tool, and the flat file thing we will be discussing later on in this series. So to create a product, what do you need in the first place? Let me share my screen, guys, here. So this is the list of all the things that you need to have before creating a listing. So starting with the very first thing, that will be your brand name or the product's brand name. If you are a brand registered, or if you have a brand registry access, then definitely I would recommend that you use your own brand name when creating an Amazon listing. Otherwise you can use a generic brand name, but it's highly not recommended to use a generic brand name. It will have a lot of trouble in the future. People can sell on your listing and you would not have any authority to kick them out. Plus it will be it becomes like a bit hard when you try to update your attribute or update your images when you are selling with a generic brand name. So as I said, it's always recommended to have a brand registry, to have a trademark with Amazon. The second main thing that you need is the category path. This is basically the category where Amazon will show your product. This is very important, as if you end up in the wrong category, you may not get any visibility, you may not get any rankings at all. So it is very important to choose the right category. Later on in this video, I will show you how you can choose a perfect or the best category for your product. The third thing that we need is the title of the product. That could be maximum of 200 characters. It should usually start with the brand name of your product and then the main keyword of the product. For example, a touch screen laptop, and then for example, let's say let me repeat that. So let's say if you are selling an Asus laptop, it should start with Asus as in brand name, touch screen laptop as in my main keyword, and then all the features like 32 GB RAM and 512 GB SSD, NVIDIA graphic cards, or whatever the feature the product might have. And then towards the end of the title, you can add your size, 14 inches, or the color of the product as well, let's say black. This is like a general practice for creating a title, but you can have your own method. You can put in your own secret sauce to make it even better. The fourth thing that we need is the description of the product, the precise explanation of your product, what it is, what are the features, how it could be beneficial for the customer, and all this stuff. So one tip here is that you need to be very precise about the features of your product. For example, if you are selling a laptop that doesn't have a touch screen, so don't say in the description or anything related to that touch screen in the description, because what will happen is, like, if you mention touch screen anywhere in the description, user may end up thinking that this is the touch screen laptop, and when they actually receive the product and they see that this is not a touch screen laptop, they may give you a bad review, and this will impact your listing badly. Plus it can potentially result in a return, which will cost you extra. Plus if you have too many returns or too many bad reviews, Amazon can take down your listing as well. The fifth thing that we need is the bullet point. So Amazon need at least one bullet point, but you can add up to 5 bullet points. So I would highly recommend that you use all the bullet points like options that are given there. It will help you with your SEO of the listing. It will help you get better ranking as well. Plus you can define your product better with 5 bullet points instead of just using one. So the next thing that you need is at least one image. It's called the main image of your product. Amazon recommend that it should have a white background with no shadow, no additional components. It will just show your main product, and it should cover at least 80 to 90% of the image section. Your product in the image should cover at least 80 to 90% of the space on the image. And Amazon allows you to upload 8 images for most of the categories, but for some categories it could be greater, some categories it could be less than 8. So I would always recommend that you use at least 8 images. You upload at least 8 images on your product. And the seventh thing that we need is the UPC code or GTIN number. It's basically the universal, you can say, code for your product that is recognized internationally as well. So I will recommend that you get a GS1 code instead of buying a cheap code from eBay or any third party seller. Plus, if you are like not very interested in using a UPC code, you can request GTIN exemption from Amazon. But for that you need to have a brand registered on Amazon. So you need to have a brand registry access. The eighth product that we need, the eighth thing that we need is the product dimensions, including the length, width, height, and weight of the product, and then definitely the price of your product that you will be selling at, and then the condition of your products. So for most of the products, the condition will be new, as we will be selling brand new products. But if you are selling refurbished products or used products or like pre-loved products, then definitely it should be used. And then there are certain standards for used, like used very good, used excellent, like that. But in this video I will be just going through how you can list a new product. Actually the process is pretty much same. You just have to like select the condition type of the product in the used product section. These were the core attributes that you need to have before listing an Amazon product. But there are some other attributes that are dependent on the category, that may vary from category to category, that you should have that you should know before listing your product on Amazon. So these could be these are just as like random, you can say, attributes that are applicable to one category. So these are model number, model name, manufacturer, model year, safety and compliance information, and the number of items in the package and the unit count. We will be discussing these attributes later on when we are creating our Amazon listing. So these are all the attributes that are required. So if I missed any, just in case if I missed any attribute, let me know in the comment section what I missed, and I will be more than happy to add this required attribute into the sheet that I will attach in the video. Okay guys, so let's dive straight into the process now, how you can upload products on Amazon. So first of all, once you are logged into your SellerCentral account, you need to head over to catalog section and then go to add a product. Once you are in the add a product section, what you need to do is you need to go into the blank form section and click on start. And I have another product that I was creating, so I will discard this. Okay, so the first thing here that you will need to upload is the title of your product. So my title is, let's say, this one. Let's say the brand name is XYZ brand, and then the title comes here, and then at the end of the title I have written the pack size, like the number of towels. Basically this listing is for a kitchen towel, so I have written the 4-pack, like this product come in a pack of 4, like the 4 towel will be included in this package. So as you can see, Amazon has already suggested a product type that is hand towels, kitchen cloth, bath and hooded towels, which is not relevant to my product, guys. So what I will do is I will select other and then search for my relevant keyword. So it is kitchen towel, Okay, so as you can see here, it says home and kitchen, home textiles, kitchen linen, dish and cloth towel, and dish towel. So this is my correct category. So this is where I will be listing my products. So I will simply click select here. Once I have selected this, it will take me to the next page where I will need to fill in these details. But before that, if just in case if you cannot find your correct category, what you need to do is you need to go on to Amazon.com or like whatever marketplace you are. If you are listing in UK, you need to go into Amazon.co.uk and search your relevant product here. So in my case, it's kitchen towel. So I will search kitchen towel. So let's say this is one of the products that looks 100% like my product. Okay, so let me delete this section from here and click enter. So by doing this, it will show you the category path. So if Amazon automatically doesn't fetch the right category for you, what you can do is you can simply edit here. So proceed, give me a sec. So you need where it said select type, so you will click on that and then follow this category path. So home and kitchen, kitchen and dining. So I will go into home and kitchen and then kitchen and dining. Okay, where is kitchen and dining? I could not find it. So indoor, so let me home textile, and then we can go into kitchen and dining. No, it's not fetching, so let me search kitchen and dining here simply. Kitchen and dining, no, nothing. Okay, so it's a good thing that it's not coming up, so we can see all the possible options here. Okay, so it's cleaning. Okay, so let's go into cleaning supplies and household cleaner, other cleaning supplies, household cleaners. So it would be kitchen towels. No, it's not again. So let's move back to our main category. So it's home and kitchen, and then we have home accessories, kitchen and home appliances, other home and kitchen, storage and organization, warranties. Okay, so I know what I'm doing wrong here. So we will be going into Amazon UK. So I was searching on amazon.co.uk. So you need to go into amazon.co.uk and then you can see here kitchen, home textiles, kitchen linen, home textile, and then kitchen linen, and then dish and cloth towels, here, and then we go into dish towels. Okay, so in this example you saw that if you choose the wrong marketplace, the correct category path will not come up. So you need to be very careful. You need to go into the marketplace that you are deciding to list your product in. So if you are listing in UK, you should go to amazon.co.uk and search your product there and then follow this category path. So the next thing is my brand name. So let's say I have registered this brand, so I will be using this one. So I need to update a UPC code. So this is my UPC code, guys. So let's just put in the code here, and then from this select UPC, EAN or GTIN. So you can use either UPC, GTIN or EAN number. All of these are supported by Amazon. So click next. So in this section, Amazon is asking for description and then the bullet points. So these static ones, these are the required attributes. So you must fill these attributes to set up your listing. So I have a little bit of description copied here. So I will just use this as a sample, but you can use your own description. You can write it even better and even more precise. And for the demonstration sake, I will be using just one bullet point. But as recommended earlier, you should use all the 5 bullet points to get most out of your Amazon listings. Alright, so once I have pasted the bullet point here, you can see that the red box is gone. It means that this attribute is good to go. The next thing is uploading the image of your product. So I will go into my folder where I have saved the image. So you can see, let me open this up for you. Okay, so as you can see, this is my main image and it has white background and it doesn't contain anything else but just the 4 packs that I am selling. So this is recommended by Amazon, otherwise Amazon won't allow for your images to be displayed on your product page. So let's say I chose this image to be uploaded. So it's done. This is the only requirement from the images section, that you need to upload at least one image. But as recommended, if you want to upload more images, click on upload multiple files here, and then you can select all the images in one go and then click open, and they will start loading here in this images upload section. Meanwhile they are uploading, let's go to our next section, which is product details section. We will be filling this out. So model number, it's 2024, KT is for kitchen towels, and then the manufacturer, it is like XYZ brand. Most of the times it will be your brand name. So once you have filled in all these attributes, let's say I will fast forward the video from here. Fabric type is cotton, number of items we are getting is 4, color is black, size is 14 cross 14, let's say inches, and unit count is 4, count type is count, and is fragile, no. What is the maximum length of your product? It is 54 centimeters. What is the minimum? It's 30 centimeters. And that's it. You have uploaded the product details section successfully, and you see the red dot here, the red warning sign here is gone. Now we will go to the offer section. In the offer section, sorry, let it load. So we are in the offer section now. So in the offer section, you can add your SKU. This is like stock keeping unit, the internal product identifier. So in my case, it will be KT, which is kitchen towels, black and 2024 model, and then 4P is for 4 packs. You need to enter the quantity if you will be fulfilling your items yourself. But if you are using FBA model, then you don't need to add any quantity here. Enter the price of your product, which is 14 pounds for me, and the condition, as I suggested, is always new for me. And give me a sec. So it may like get a bit sloppy when you are adding all these details. It's just that Amazon server is like processing all the information alongside, but don't worry, keep going. So Amazon will dispatch my item. So this is for the FBA. If you want to list your product and let Amazon fulfill your item, you should select Amazon will dispatch and provide customer care. So once that is selected, you see the quantity option from here is gone. Okay, the next thing is the product dimension or your package dimensions. Actually, how the product is packaged. It could be like your product actually is 14 cross 14 inches, but you shrinked it, or you have folded it, and the actual product package length is much smaller. So let's say in my case it's 5 inches cross 5 inches, and the height is, let's say, 2 inches, and sorry, I think this didn't get filled, so this is for 5 inches. And then the next thing is item weight. It is like, let's say, 2 pounds. All right, this is 2 pounds. Okay, so if you want to list your product in all the European marketplaces, Amazon will enable all these options by default. But if you are just planning to sell in one marketplace, let's say in my case UK, I will turn off all these options because I don't want to sell there right now. So I don't want to create any fuss. So once I have turned off all these options, the offer section is good to go as well. Now this last thing that we need to do is add safety and compliance information. So we will just fill in the required attributes. So what is the country of origin? Let's say Pakistan. So are batteries required? Definitely not. Dangerous goods, like regulation, no, we are not selling any dangerous goods. So guys, dangerous goods are like anything that contain harmful liquid or that contain batteries or acid or things like that. So these are the like dangerous products. So once all this information is filled in, let me check if my images were uploaded. Yeah, they were uploaded, you can see here. So once all this is filled in, you can simply click on submit and your product will be created. So this is all the like this is how you will basically create a product. So I hope you have liked the method that I showed. I think it was pretty much simple, and if you have any questions, or if you think I missed some steps, you can comment down below. Or if you are facing a specific issue, or if your category types require a specific attribute that you are not sure about, you can drop the information in the comment below, and I will try to help you as much as I can. I hope you enjoy the video. To get more videos like this, like the video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel, as more videos will be coming soon with the same content regarding Amazon catalog management. Stay tuned guys, have a good day, bye, thank you.